Everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things beauty and fragrance. Today is a video that I don't normally do. I don't normally do negative reviews. I know how much work goes into creating something. It's Isle of Paradise Pro Glow Spray Tan Mister. I love their self-tan face drops. I always get a natural looking tan from it. It mixes right in with your moisturizer. It hasn't caused me to break out like a lot of self-tanners do. Always very impressed with that. Bought this thinking, oh, it'll be just as effective. I will love it. It will have the same natural looking tan, not an orangey appearance. And I loved, see how it looks like it would be self spray tan mister, like an aerosol continuous spray tanner. No. When you buy it, you get the sprayer and it comes with like a bag of self-tanning juice. You pour that into here and then spray. I'm not going to do it right here because I'm in front of my wall, but spray it and you do get a continuous spray. However, I have years of experience with self-tanner. I even managed a self-tan salon for a while. Well versed in self-tanning and how to self-tan. It's a refillable continuous mist applicator, it claims at the bottom here. It's not continuous. It sprays and you get a fine mist, which is wonderful, and it keeps coming and then it just kind of dies. It splurts, splurts, splurts. I tried to make this self-tanner work so many ways. I tried just spraying it onto my skin and not messing with it. I tried spraying it and then rubbing it in manually. I tried spraying it on and then rubbing it in with a self-tanning mitt. I tried it without lotion. I tried it with lotion. Like, this sucker, I probably have done nights of experiments with, and I just couldn't get it to work. It was splotchy, it wasn't even, and some of that might be user error, but for the most part, I don't think so. For being a continuous tan, it does emit a continuous amount, but as a mist, it's going to spray different amounts on different parts of the body, and since it's not an aerosol, it kind of, feathers out and dies down and you can't anticipate that. So it's like you're spraying and then you're spraying and then you're spraying and different parts of your body are getting different amounts. And no matter how you rub it in, you still are going to get more self-tanner in some places than others. You can use it as maintenance for your self-tan if you already have one. I think that would probably work fine. The color was fine. The color that it emits isn't like an orange, it's not fake tan looking, it's a natural looking tan, it's just it's not even. And no matter if I did it 3 nights in a row, one night, like a self-tan shouldn't take that much work. Maybe 2 nights to get the amount of color that you want, maybe 3 nights if it's a gradual tan. But for a spray tan that's not a gradual tan, that claims it's a Pro Glow Spray Tan Mister, I expect a one-shot deal. Otherwise, it's just too much work. Smell-wise, upon first application, it was fine. It's a nice fruity floral type scent. It didn't bother me. However, as the DHA soaks in day after, 2 days after, you do start smelling that DHA spray tan scent. So again, Isle of Paradise Pro Glow Spray Tan Mister. Please though, let me know if you figured out a way to make this work. If you've used this and you have glorious results, please comment below. Please let me know what your secret is. I really want to love it. I just don't. Like I said, I loved the color. It just, application wise, was just a bit too tedious for me. Let me know your thoughts. Love you all, appreciate you all, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. You can use it as a, update. I can't think of the word. Upkeep, maintenance, which is funny because, anyway, so it's Saint-Tropez. No. Oh my gosh. Let's just say the wrong product name completely.